This is a 2013 Toyota Yaris coming for G-ON2, which is our 2K version of the G-Net brand. As you can see, it's got a light on the rear to show you that the rear one is recording. I'll make my way around to the front. The vehicle is currently on, so the cameras are recording. Obviously that's the front one there, recording in 2K resolution. The rear one records in 1080p, but I'll show you quickly on the app as well, so you can see the view. So to connect, it's simple. If you go to Wi-Fi, you're going to enter the password, which is the whole top row of the keyboard. I'm going to get the little tick just up in the top corner to let me know I am connected to the unit. And then all I do is, on the camera, I'm going to simply press the Wi-Fi button just in the center.
Standby mode for the Wi-Fi registration.
And as you can see, I'm connected with the tick. I'm just going to simply go to the app that we downloaded for the camera, which is called G-Net, and it will make a connection. There we go. I'll show you the real-time video. It's currently what it sees on the front, and if I go to the back, it's currently what it's recording on the back. And then on here, it automatically deletes everything for you, and you'll be able to see here the videos. So obviously these are videos here. If I enter a normal video and I press front cam on the bottom, it will show me what is recorded on the back. There we go. And same vice versa, it will show me what was recorded on the front. If I want to download, I can press download in the top bottom corner, and I go straight to my pictures on my phone. And that's the device up there. And obviously this works on and off with the vehicle key. So once you turn the vehicle off, this will then switch itself off after about 2 minutes, unless you have parking mode switched on, which this customer currently opted for. So this one can record overnight and whilst the vehicle is off. If you'd like this installed on your car, just give us a call, 0208 554 554.